I've tried multiple products. We actually even got one of those beds that go up, go down, tried the nose strips, multiple things that would help with the snoring at night. And it's just gotten to the point that my husband goes sleeps on the couch because I'm so loud. But since I've gotten this product, he doesn't have to go to the couch anymore. I'm not snoring through the night. And so I have a better night's sleep. I can wake up refreshed, knowing that I didn't have a rough night snoring all night. And it's because of that silent night mouth guard. So when I came in for my routine cleaning and Dr. Joe came in, I said to him, I'm curious about an appliance that would help with snoring. And he said, really? He said, I actually have an appliance. And I said, well, let me try it, So that day he actually fitted me, did the molding and everything. And I came in and I told Kayla the other day, I said, this is the best product I ever bought. I said, even my husband has told me that I am not snoring anymore and I can get a full night's sleep because my snoring is not waking me up. I said, so I love this product. She goes, you need to tell people about this. I've had the night guard now for about 2.5, 3 months. I've never had to come in for an adjustment. He set the bands correctly on them. I have extra bands that came with it. I don't do anything. I put it in at night. I pop it out in the morning. I rinse it off and it's done. I've had to do nothing. It sits on my bedside stand. That's it. It's so simple.